Hi, and welcome to the next installment of our Hauler Help series. This is video 4 of 7. My name is Charlie Dolan. I'm the CEO of DSQ Technology, and we make waste and recycling easy to manage. In this video, we're going to be talking about adding dumpsters to your hauler platform. We've previously talked about adding company information, setting your facilities up, adding coworkers via the Workers tab, and now we're to the critical part of adding your container inventory. The purpose of this is that if you're a business who rents out 10, 20, 30-yard containers, we want to set those container types and their quantities. That'll be then used later in the system when you go to apply a container to a job. That'll help track the inventory. It'll help track the different type of container that your drivers are being told to pull from your yard, and really set up your pricing as well. So it's a very critical step, but it's also a very easy step. So let's get into it. We're under the admin tab, and we are then under the dumpsters tab. Like everything else in this series, you need to be an administrator to do it. You just hop in right here and you hit add dumpster type. You can see I've got a couple set up already. But if I click this, I get a very simple prompt to pick from a pick list, and we've entered a lot of the standard container types that you might have. These are organized by container type and then by size. We'll talk about the other container types and what do those letters mean in a second. But let's just pick that we're going to put a 6-yard container in, and then I'd put in the quantity. Maybe I own 30 6-yard containers, and click save. That's going to add the container type here with the quantity, and if I need to edit that in the future, I can do so. It's going to give it a standard description, and that's going to be used across different parts of the system, even on invoice line item creation and stuff like that. One point I'd call out is that if you're questioning what quantity do I put in here, is that how many I have available for sale right now? Is it how many I have, net of maintenance and stuff like that? We would encourage you to put in every container that you do own, whether it's under maintenance or not. And there's different ways that you can adjust for that in the system. But you should put in the total number that you own, that you want to have available into this quantity field. Let's talk about the different letters and all those types of things. So YD, standard stuff for your standard container, just means yard. There's HD for heavy duty. There's a bunch of different types in here, heavy loads, different types of roll-offs, if you have a sand bin. So this is also further defined in our help documentation, which is docs.haulersoftware.com, and you can look up the dumpster types, and we'll probably add that in the video description below as well. But yeah, that's how you add your dumpster types. And then this is again going to be used when it comes to pricing in the next video, as well as when you're adding hauls and putting in deliveries or swaps or removals. Those are all going to be driven by the types of containers that you set here and have available in your fleet. So if you've got any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. If not, look on to the next video where we're going to set up pricing, and looking forward to catching you then. Please subscribe if you want to keep in touch as we release more videos, and looking forward to working together. Thanks.